How to fix YouTube video captions not working problem or subtitles not loading on YouTube. Here's the easy step-by-step guide on how to fix captions and subtitle errors. Not all videos have captions. So first, check if the CC button is available for the video. So once you hover on the video, you should find the CC button at the top right of the video if it has subtitles. So as you can see, this video has subtitles and this one does not have one. If it's missing, the uploader may not have added subtitles. If captions fail to load, refresh the page or restart the YouTube app. This clears temporary glitches. Now, old cache or cookies can block subtitles, so clear them in your browser or app settings, then try again. And lastly, make sure your browser or YouTube app is updated. Outdated versions often cause caption errors. And that is how you can basically fix YouTube video captions not working problem.